Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to talk about the BeautyRest heated blanket showing E error. My first question is that if you have covered your blanket with another blanket, that will cause it to flash an error message and shut off. So just curious if that happened to you. And what you want to do for the reset is this. So unplug it from the wall. Now when you're going to unplug it from the wall, you want to inspect all connections between the control and the blanket. Ensure all wires and connectors are in good condition and properly connected. Now you want to unplug the blanket and the control unit from the power source. Wait for about 10 minutes or even like overnight. And then you're going to plug the blanket and the control unit back to see if the error persists. So you're going to reconnect it. Plug the blanket directly into wall outlet. And then you're going to see if it's actually going to be good or no. So you should resolve the E error and restore proper heating. And I hope this is going to work for you. I just wanted to make like this quick guide on how you can fix that. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.